big box because we are going to unbox a cycle. Come on, let's go. And this is my friend Vadhu. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is my friend Prarthanaa. And this is my friend Prarthanaa.
Hi.
Okay, let's start. Look at my cycle. It's big and green because I love green colors. We are going to unscramble the cycle. Come on, let's do it. The cycle is ready to ride, guys. And these are the features of this cycle. Look at the brakes. They make that clucking sound. Is that cool, the clucking sound? And 2 brakes because one for the front wheel and one for the back wheel. And this seat, we can adjust it. We can make it higher or lower. And the pedals. Without the pedals, you can't make the cycle go. And it's ready to move. Come on, let's go outside. First, we forgot safety. Come on, let's get the safety gear. Guys, I am wearing all my armor like a superhero. I feel like a turtle wearing a shell. Even if these things are uncomfortable, we should wear them. So they protect us from getting any hurt. This is a wrist pad. This is a elbow pad again, a wrist pad again, and knee pads. And we forgot a corona safety mask. Let's put this dinosaur mask on. Now we might be ready